I ordered this Wen portable wood chipper and mulcher at the beginning of the summer, and I've been using it and I've been really liking it, and I just wanted to show how it all works. So you just can plug it in. It's got wheels, you can wheel it wherever you want. There's a power button. You put your sticks in and it shreds it. I have a couple of sticks to show you how it all works. I'm just going to give you a warning now before I turn it on. Turn your volumes down low because it's kind of loud. And when you're done mulching your sticks, you can just take this bag off and you have plenty of mulch to use in your garden beds.